Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, PNG, we have seen some life recently, and man, let me tell you, it excites me. So, we've had life in PNG previously before, right? We've had a candle that went all the way to 30 cents, but ended up on the day as a sell candle closing at 23 cents. So, that was bummer. We've had a nice candle late October, pretty much going from just below 23 cents all the way to 27 and a half. But this one, I believe, is different because I believe the context is different. Last time I talked about how, hey, I think in PNG, we finally got our triple tap where we have one bottom, second, and the third, right? And I've talked about this on Bitcoin. I've talked about this for other coins, how, that's usually the indication that a coin is ready to reverse. Now, here's the exciting thing, right? For the first time in a while, we've had a good big candle, good volume, great closing at, roughly 28 cents, which is what we're looking for, right? We're looking to be closing around at the minimum, the 26 cents, to even 27 and a half. Now, here's the thing, right? This is just a daily candle. What we want next for PNG is for the weekly candle to close, in the 27s, 28s, somewhere up here would be a very nice closing, right? If we closed over here, right, that would be the first step, because I've talked about this multiple times, how, there's one baby step, but the bigger baby step or the second step is, closing above the 27 mark. After that, it's pretty much closing above, 33, and then the main one's like 36, right? So, it is very early on. It is very early on. As of recording, this is Monday. So you guys will get this video on Tuesday. And, we still have a few days left to go. But hopefully, this is the beginning of something amazing, right? If it were to close high, then that is a confirmation that we need, right? Bitcoin and everything is currently going down a little bit. So, this doesn't help our case too much. But that's okay, because if PNG is still going to be doing something similar like this over the next couple of days, and the next time Bitcoin and everything starts pumping again, then I believe PNG is going to have its moment finally after all this time, right? Remember, I still believe that PNG overall is going to move in bursts, right? Overall, we are going to be moving in bursts, but it is already better to be around this stage, right? This stage, if we start getting these types of candles, better closes, more volume, more volatility, than it is, just being somewhere down here or being in this stage, right? Because that means if we're in this stage currently, then that means the big bursts are coming soon. And guys, I really do believe it is harder to get from 50 million to 500 million market cap than it is from 500 million to 5 billion. Now, you might think I'm crazy, right? Because, going from 500 million to 5 billion requires more money. But at that point, you're already in and on the radar. So, for me, I think once we kind of get past this first step and we, create new all-time highs, get in that 200 million market cap zone, 300 million market cap, I really do believe from there it's going to be an easier 10 to 17x like we've been talking about on the channel for a while. So anyways, guys, that is the PNG update, right? At this moment it's looking all right, because we have the big candle, the sell. By the time you guys watch this, if for some reason PNG's ended up back here, then everything I just said is going to be crap. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.